Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add black screen in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the CapCut and import your videos or images. Simply drag it to the timeline. Now, if we play our video, you can see that there is no black screen in it. Now to add it, there are several methods to add. First one is simply drag your second video into the second track like this, and now if you play this video, you will find this black screen between these two videos. So this was the first method. If you want to add black screen while remaining on the same track, what you can do is simply drag it to the first track firstly, then click on this option, turn off main track magnet. You can also turn this off by just pressing P from the keyboard. If you put this track and paste it here and try to play this video, you will find this black screen between these two videos. The third method is if you want to add any other screen, you can simply come to Google and search for this black screen, download this image and import it. After importing, you can insert between these two and adjust it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add black screen in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.